Ebusian for ha Ghana 7 TV GH, mestre or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for
Sabina said it on where the least we talk about those people, the better. Now, see, because it is out there, some of the things we also a bit more punchy holes in his utterances.
Yeah,
it's out. I mean, it clearly shows that all the times I have been maintaining the Kennedy Angasan. Well, he's on a destructive mission, and if he's full of bitterness, rancor. It seems no opportunity to say, I mean, sell his message to the people. He misses it. Look at the recent one in Kumasi. Clearly, clearly, with me, or more people who are not even happy or one way or the other, the camp and it's how they go about, including even one sticker, a PhD holder. Look at him. See, now Omiki statement, if you say dollar and we can't argue, won't mean ferry. Kufuor, why we lost? Kufuor was able to put it 1-on-1, yet we lost. Tell me if it is not true. Did we win in 2029? It was 1-1.
No.
Yeah. So it's not a driving factor. Mostly Ghana for no and mostly history has, I mean, confirms 8 years. And now, unfortunately for us, post-COVID, I mean, drag the whole economy, the global economy. All the indices are there from the IMF and World Bank. Sika of mine, we are seeing actually. It takes a decade. And in most instances, they've been lucky in 2 occasions. Now, oil has dropped to a very low price now. About 56 WTI. And yet, Muhammad Ayahio, today, Yakoda, 2023, 2 to 23. We're buying a Akufo Addo was suffering around 120, 100 and 120, at 120. Comparable to the same thing in Kufuor time. When those time Kufuor was telling us, no taking interventions, I don't know how old we were then, or cram, it be
bro, share
to solve the situation. Yet Ghanaians didn't even listen to Kufuor. When my mails was telling us, media me do boom, boom, boom. I didn't drop it to 60 to 50 to send the near they're enjoying. Yet, that was the time I had tomb. Yes, I had tomb be cry. And they have been lucky in 2 instances. And most times, we come to meet difficult times. All-time high oil price in Kufuor time, 157. And what this is for almost 160. Almost buy big Giacomiana 29 and I didn't start it back for they enjoyed it. And even their incompetencies exposed them. In 2014, when Mahama took over. Or running economy down, Vietnam, America, don't pay. And these are the global trend are obeying. And Nehemiah enjoy most of them as a result of global economy. The voice, just last year, October, the container price, fleet price was $4,000 from, Asia to Ghana. Today, as we speak, $3,600. And this is am I compelled to Mahama had no clue. This is global economy taking shape post-COVID. And to what they have not done anything. They have not, in fact, and advantage cry take say how do you call it? All-time high gold price. They've missed it. One said Sika anke say be reserves na trigger them you take your my economy now take shape like Sabina was saying. Say this is Sika year to monthly basis and year to Sika nigusa without say ye misa say oba e be pan why I mean was it a then be why then why then
nothing
me was Sika we anka economy no programs are not previous government ne de buy no and one no follow you. One of the key ingredients DDEP It was a necessary evil. Slaughterhouse, yet they have been benefiting. Missy Yenya over almost 5 to 6 billion over through DDEP. Many people the guy is not spending. Today, district assemblies, Unia, so friends in say how much allocation? These are some of them are statutory payment that should go. Nothing. Me see the voice. Now me Ghana. Second week, me so Christmas is harder. Me maybe as after that, second week then I'm pure. And me name say be afterwards, maybe it's dry. Me the name be by no I say go dry. Me who gonna be hair dry harder. Nothing. Sikana internally as I want more pay up through borrowing, internal borrowing through treasury bills. Wajini jina ko Bank of Ghana no ni Ibrahim that's all. It's about 62 to 63 billion Ghana cedis. And no my siphon. What has he done? He's not paying contractors. He's not paying like Moses guy. He's not paying. These are the things that if he start spending, then we'll see the shape of the economy. And think here, we see. Now, like Sabina said, then I did not trigger never form dollar no. Never form. Maybe if our management that we would have managed it better than this. And so tell him here. Me purely engineering guy, but you take advantage to learn others. If you want to Kasaria, my challenge to you is that Kufo had it 1-1. Yes, we lost. Bangure do that with Reverend. He got it 1-1. We lost. So what is this? First 3 years of the NPP. That was 2017, 18, 19. What was the dollar rate? Ever stable in our history. And it's a what's we NPP? I call NPP. We. Now, Mr. Party for the drew maybe a new be a man back closer to the highest level. A drew maybe a young integrity level of the party. Near my way, the Subaine and Abraba Wabu over the year. Near calling people to that high office. These and many more guys are very disgraced to the party. Akwawi also want to me carry on the economy. And we tell Okosku. When we and also you be now and okay, like Sabina said, no one saw no one mad that. Treating Ghana has not got my honor. Like then he ran it down. These people, they are opportunists, guys. The it is not for the nation and at large the MPP and the nation. No position on we are just where they are not there. He speak arrogantly. His facial expressions doesn't even call for people to even join the party. And this guy, we say, so soon to me carry about the economy. Then you don't deserve to be MPP. The global economy everywhere will be about post-COVID now. I feel the near may take shape. And in fact, you go to IMF, the statistics are there. It will take a decade, all the indices out of the mind. Post-COVID, in fact, comparable to the Second World War, the world has never lost ever, with the effect of the COVID. Comparable to Second World War, after the Second World War, you are saying things are that, and they have predicted more decades, about two decades for the world to recover that money. And I feel any take it. It is never normal. Oil CC na oil trigger beyond a year of friend say 60, 70, 80. We see if the Mahama can do something. Ultimately, I don't know with my
okay.
Right. If we go to 80, 90, ultimately. And so we beg them, people like that, if they had nothing to say, they should keep quiet. Clearly shows that the position of a candidate, you know, so also we need and when we vote into power. Delegates, these are the people as punish them. We should rather punish them. When we vote them, they had nothing to say. How are we going to defend the party? What are we have to talk about on the economy? Will Kennedy and his cohort will be able to defend this?
No. Don't have anything to say.
It's so sad.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that excellent one. All right. Now you are wrapping up. And Sabina, 2 minutes. Any final words for tonight? If any, can you unmute yourself?
Oh, maybe your friend is saying, "Dear Biona Maker, so John Mahama, some year Ghana for me, person more dream band so. Namuhunia, what that more, you know, that is my point here because me, what the good entity I suffer for me, Ghana for baby, no. I dare some Mutimu say, John Mahama, ye be binti, and then my bonny a cosono, Munya Marge, some of the Casa about it, please. my na ya o. Ye na etia ye na ye feeling. I don't know why. Because ye nya better na kro man ebusua ni nyina de problems abegu ye so. Ti ye compare me hwe na no. Friend is saying na me hwe na. Say them yes is suffer sesia no in order to feed our families over there. Unlike your friends said last year, it was never like this. Obi abeka no kra. Last year na those say you quite juma or right ye juma na but the amount of money and was you spending last year. Am I your family said it no. No, it a double. So what you say? A double and we expect and katika so today. And can near so entertain but entisa it is a more cast $1 number for man. No more your friend say I'm pass $1 number from na impact and so papa ben na yenye free so yenye so papa be free so ti me sra Ghana phone na some be kan bomo na mo kan ejagu aban so ma entisa ye fu a wo ye ne wo nyai esa se mo ya wa se me se mo ma wie school mo tifi mo nya adwuma nye mo wa fasifo wie school mo tifi mo nya adwuma nye. If you don't care about them so munya adwuma me akra dem subscribe who say aban mo bi adwuma but like what Nana Addo did 1D 1F no one can say aban na embassy hospital obesity factories no was in conjunction with the private sector and that be America me see horse oil me see horse oil because ene de nipa ba kwa me ne nyina ware fie ba akum ne de aban de ne ho ko ode ne ho join aban and see horse oil ono they produce engine oil, the whole of West Africa because of the 1D 1F ministry Americano. Mupa mon search for seahorse oil then and now. So mo besi o mo factory kakraka wo Ghana ho no ma. Oil bia o mo oil bia ko Africa bia efri Ghana bra mo and the supply because of 1D 1F. Those are the things I hear kan ho asem. The Jama be say sika no $1 na de. On fam bo private sector no. So what you say? Or the boy your friend is saying, "Maybe to say Casapreco, and then Casapreco, me so quite work area on ma. Obia ye adwuma Casapreco. We na mo ya we. And I will find Angela. Angel, we all knew Angel. So the name city. Uko Angela say economy in area ho nyina. Obia ye adwuma wa Angel because of 1D 1F. Omo aban no omo kabo mo na expansion course so omo bie mo no matimi ha nipa bebre. To say the government obe waste $11 billion say ono de ma America sika na ye na America for nya so fa so na ye lose na ye nkrofo nya adwuma nye. I think say ye bo aban na chi e ma na ni ba no ho so na wo ye sa Ebusafa me jina baby no obi ka sa me sorry ye bo aban na chi ma aban ne hu ni a wo ye na obeja dia wo ye na just to, because of political expediency. For you, some of you now, some of them babejina ha benya bia kanti. And $1 above from the $1. And for so bia mas. O mani ye dia. Enya mo ndi sifo kwa na enye dwoma ha man kwa ne busuafo ne dia. Enye nyina dia ti kwa obafa so be use be utilize or mine sika no. Ama ye nyina ya benefit him. That's what we are calling for. That's what we are asking him to do. Enye dia obey ya ma mumu bia betata abeke kanse mu na mu ya masa be fa phone. Abe ye sister brother bia wa ha. We want the country see your country no be build it to a certain standard. Mwana mo yo man mo bo man no abrosa mo hwe mesi mo pa mo hwe Greater Accra development bi a woso an na motimi di twapo ade compare okro bi aso ye NPP aban na ye mo de mo pe ba bi sa ha de NDC aban na bi ni ho sa Accra be developing nyina gina President Akufo so and be si Nana Addo Akufo Addo but still Accra no ye ko fa most of the African country o mo capital cities na ye ntimi fa Accra ma metoto. So we are calling on the government. So onya yesika na wo wasting no. No fanya the papa fanya mpuntu juma. Na so mfa so na o man ni temamufo nyina obi ani njibi. Thank you.
No, thank you so much, Auntie Sabina, for that concluding remark for tonight. Bono East, yes, my brother, 2 minutes. If you are still awake, because it's 1:44 a.m. here. Oh,
Yeah, I'm awake.
Yeah. 24 hours. Thank you for waiting behind.
Thank you. Look at the message here. The voice, me per se,
Yes.
far, maybe after today. Okay, and I within the daytime. Go check it every time yanya increment in electricity and water. Na check it the driving factors are yanya that increment. Ejina never me no so. 1, inflation. 2, exchange rate. So if this government is touting itself, say, adeba ko amatima ye palm aboti mamofo inflation and exchange rate. Why is it the major causing factor for our increment in electricity and water? Who is deceiving who? Who is deceiving who? And then again to my dear darling NPP delegates. We from the Bawumia camp there. Munuanuma ya pamo amusa munko tenafie because NPP are buying our form no. Ya humusu. And there tinene ayepe say yebe court akwanya proper justice system. And there aban we etoton asene ya hu. Near MPP aban ayen shishe papa mo ye gu ho ye stem medication and there aban we mfa nyahwe no ye hu. Ye hu ne bone aban we di aba. A etete Ghana for we the free from the Bawumia camp. Ya hu ni nyina and ye betima criticize aban we on that. So se mo pe obi a oba be gina aban we konso no want me shishe pa aba abebuatima mufua from the camp of Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. On 31st, don't make any mistake. Men kwahwe soro kwahwe ase mfini ho number 3. Number 3, oho ena ajankwan wo. Oho ena emu eduro aja opa ne honhom konkro no. And number 3, MPP delegates. Moye nyina yemfa ya honde ankota Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. The voice me that was it.
Me that's a menu. Thanks for waiting behind. Hey, Hypo, thank you. Can you come in finally? Sorry, sir.
Voice. Nyame kwa me say Zimama. We natural and resource perception management. One authority, your friend is Zimama. I say knowledge is the mother of all resources. It doesn't matter your gold, it doesn't matter your diamond, your oil, whatever you have. If you don't have knowledge to manage all these things, you still be poor. That's what we have to know. We have Ghana for say, ye dinim die and ye bibia. Tina, can Ghana will go na yebre and umbre say because you don't have knowledge. And ubenya gold, ubenya diamond, ubenya oil, ubenya natural, natural resources in but nimdia no niwa. E be here was say. We get a problem we say, what's anomana here. Tibabi ayedu no, ye pe nimdia for ne do much mind. Sabe. Yedi nimdia for na chichere mai. You ask me baby aye bia no, yedi nimdia for na chichere na eye a no mom wase ne to nya bia ye den adi na sumdua ye den aba. Enti delegate ne yesre. Nimdia nyina container. Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia. Yesre. Mom you mistake. Why you be that? They will never disappoint. They will know the history. So history is going to repeat itself. Tiesromo, omofa kumapa odo entu abanama doctor. Na doctor di nkunima, nhyehye pa doctor di egu akwanmu ama omu. Omakasa mo behu say doctor onye obi a oye odadafo. Ono mo bedi niye. Me sure say Bawumia that I know what I've seen, I've heard will never disappoint them. No.
Sure.
Tiesromo. Say obi a ye den, omo makwantu na monto ma no. Na odi nkunuma obada o masene so papa panti voice also that was any adwuma oyama a doctor nyame nhira no nka ho.
Amen. Thank you so much. For a lot of people are still requesting, but